Oh man, I'm so bored. I've been sitting here all day and nothing interesting has happened. Whoever told me they saw a hex around here was crazy. Ugh, where's my stuff? Can't find anything in this gross, stinky jungle. Every branch looks like a staff. Ugh, stupid stick. I'm gonna snap you into a million pieces. Oh, there you are. Oh, how I've missed you. I'm sorry I said I was gonna snap you into a million pieces. I would never hurt you, staff. I'm sure I can just close my eyes for a few seconds. Go! What was that? That must be where Hex is hiding. Let's do this. Hey dude, how's it going? Are you the guy who was firing magic into the sky? Ah, Ben 10. So nice of you to join me. And what perfect timing. Let me introduce you to my staff. Wow, these guts have a powerful punch. Well, you know what they say. If you can't beat them, join them. It's hero time! You shouldn't leave your stuff lying around in this jungle. Things can get lost very easily. You'll never break through my vine wall in time to save your precious Rustbucket. Are you kidding me, dude? These plants are my buds. Hey, my ride! You're gonna pay for that, Hex. I just got it clean. It's filling up with water. Soon it will rust and it'll really be a Rustbucket. Catch you later. Not so fast, Hex. Vines. A little help here? Put me down, you creepy vines. Hang on, Hex. Watch this. Better luck next time, Hex. That's what you get for messing with the green team. I'll get you next time, you little brat. Mark my words.